and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. This is a tips and tricks video and it's to do with the cruise control. As you're probably aware, these cars have radar cruise control, which is activated by that button there. So to activate it, you just push the button up once. So I'm going to push the button up once now, donk. And it comes up with a message on the screen, radar cruise active, and says radar ready. And these are all the symbols that appear on the screen. Now, radar cruise is a very, very clever system, and it uses all the sensors in the car that Toyota have built into it. I'll just show you where the sensors are. Let's just get out of the car. Right, in this section of the grille here, there are radar sensors. So it's a combination of the sensors in the grille and also in the windscreen. In this section here, there are more sensors and there are cameras. They're basically all the gubbins that's in there. Now, it's important you keep that front grille clean, and all the sensors need to see the road, so you've got to keep that part of the windscreen clean. Now, if that system ever fails, it's because there's either an internal fault in the radar cruise, or the sensors are dirty and they can't see the road, so the system can't be activated. But did you know you can actually use the old-fashioned cruise control that we used to have many years ago, before radar cruise was a feature on these cars? And it's once again very easy to activate, and again it's done with the radar cruise control button. So instead of just tapping it the once and you get all the messages for radar cruise like that, and you get these symbols here, what you do is push the button and hold it, and it comes up with the radar cruise message quickly, and then turns the radar cruise off. And now it throws up that green symbol there. That isn't the same symbol that you get when you put the speed limiter on. That's the speed limiter symbol. That's the radar cruise active symbol. So I'll turn everything off. That green symbol there now, that you can see on the dash, now tells you you've got the old-fashioned cruise control system working. And all that one does is set the speed that you choose. So if you choose 70 miles an hour on the motorway, the car will do a continuous 70 miles an hour, and it won't keep the distance and it won't adjust the speed, just like we used to have years ago. But if you are using this system, you can still control the speed by using this toggle switch here. You can control your speed on that by going up and down on the switch. So I just thought I'd show you that we have both types of cruise control on these cars. Radar and the old-fashioned just set your speed cruise control. Once again, please consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy the content. Please consider liking the video. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.